Ito yung daliri. Yan ang kami mo na kalat na daliri mo natin dyan eh. Subukin mo. Subukin mo.
Known as Comedy King Dolphy, he was born Rodolfo Vera Quizon on July 25, 1928. Just days before his birthday, he passed away at age 83. He was brought to the intensive care unit of the Makati Medical Center last month due to complications from a pulmonary disease. Dolphy starred in more than 200 movies, most of which were comedies. His career spanned over 7 decades. He also acted in theaters during the Japanese occupation. He acted in his first movie, Dugo at Bayan, with Fernando Poe Sr. in 1947. Dolphy became popular as he started playing gay roles in the comedy series Jack and Jill. Dolphy also played a transvestite in the movie Markova in 2001. Dolphy's last film is Father Jejemon, where he starred as a priest in 2010. Dolphy's consistent appearance from theater to movies and sitcoms proved his versatility in the art of acting scene. Through the years, he garnered several awards, including Fama's Best Actor Award in the movie Omeng Satanasya in 1978. Here in RPN 9, people remember him as the hard-up but hard-working John Puruntong in the iconic sitcom John and Marcia. John and Marcia is the longest-running comedy sitcom and rated #1 in its time. It ran for 2 decades.
Bakit pag ganun ang leeg masakit? Dapat ito masakit sa'yo, batok eh. Dahil pag ganun.
Dolphy contributed so much on the rise of the Philippines color TV era. Dolphy did several TV specials because the Comedy King loved praising his fellow artists. He did tributes for Panchito and Bayani Casimiro. Dolphy was also good at playing a role that portrays himself on the TV program Gabi ni Dolphy. He was given the Film Academy of the Philippines Lifetime Achievement Award in 1992. In 2010, President Benigno Aquino III bestowed him with the Grand Collar of the Order of the Golden Heart. This is the highest award a president can give to a private citizen. The Comedy King was blessed with 18 children, including comedians Epi and Vandolph. His son, actor and director Eric Quizon, said, "The Comedy King is dead, but long live comedy." Eman Paz, RPN News.
Parang kailan lang ang mga pangarap ko'y kahirap abutin. Dahil sa inyo, napunta ako sa aking nais marating. Nais ko kayong pasalamatan kahit man lang sa isang awitin. Parang kailan lang, halos ako ay magpalimos sa lansangan. Dahil sa inyo, ang aking tiyan at ang bulsa'y nagkalaman. Kaya't itong awiting aking inaawit, nais ko kayong andugan. Tatanda at lilipas din ako, ngunit mayroong awiting iiwanan sa inyong alaala. Dahil minsan tayo'y nagkasama. Tatanda at lilipas din ako, ngunit mayroong awiting iiwanan sa inyong alaala. Dahil minsan tayo'y nagkasama.